Hello and welcome to another video by Meston Educational Services. In this particular video, we are going to look at how to award letter grades to students for marks they may have obtained in an assessment. So what you see on my screen is a list of students. There are 6 students and then they have their marks in the second list. And since there are 6 students, I've got 6 corresponding marks over there for each of the students. Then I've created a dictionary, which is a tuple in terms of the number range. And then, of course, and that acts as the key and then the corresponding grade. So I'll just show you what my dictionary looks like. Go here. So my dictionary over here says 95 to 100 is an A plus and 100 is not included. Or 100 is included for the first one, and then in the other ones 95, 90, 85, 80 they are not included, and I've just put an A minus over there. But of course you can go and edit this list. It's more like a lookup table in Excel. So the first part over here, which is this bit, this is a tuple, and that's also the key, and this is the lookup value. And now I've got a loop over here, so I'm running two loops together. So I want the student name and the marks to go together. So I've done for I and M, and when I put the two lists together, I use the zip option over there. So the first list is marks and then the second list is students. And then I have got another loop over there, which is I've used the letter K for the key from the dictionary, and V is the actual value there. And I've got the index over there. K0 is the first value of the tuple and K1 is the second value, and I is the mark, which basically is the loop number which comes from the mark value. And then I'm printing the result. So M is the student name, I over there is the actual mark, and V is the value from the dictionary, which is going to be the letter grade. So now let's run this, and I'm going to do Control R, and you will see I've got the corresponding grades over there. So this is as simple. Of course, you can go and modify the dictionary, and you can add as many students, you can have more marks. Sorry, and that's how you award grades to students for the marks they may have obtained as a percentage. Thank you for watching the video.